We are happy that today's program is addressed by many stalwarts that includes Professor Basant Maheshwari ji, Professor Bhimrai Metri from Nagpur is the Director IAM, then Professor Uday Shankar Saha from Gujarat, Professor Patel from SVNIT Surat. Now I request our Dean College of Technology, Dr. Alakananda Ashok, to welcome all these personalities.
Namaskar to all dignitaries who are present and who are online with us for this webinar. Thank you for joining us. जैसा अभी हम लोग सब लोग बात भी कर रहे थे, मैं हिंदी में बोलना चाहूंगी. आज का एक समाचार पत्र सबसे पहले मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करना चाहती हूँ. मोदी जी का आज की समाचार पत्र की हेडलाइन है, जहां भी गिरे जब भी गिरे सहेज लें बारिश की हर बूंद. He has launched a special program. उनके द्वारा आज एक स्पेशल प्रोग्राम की शुरुआत करी गई है वर्ल्ड वाटर डे पे, जिसमें उनके द्वारा ये कहा गया है कि जितने भी हमारे घर हैं उनकी रूफ टॉप पर जब बारिश होती है तो रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग के लिए एक योजना के तहत जल संरक्षण की सुविधा दी जाएगी, जिसके लिए हर जिले में जो वहाँ के एक एक्सपर्ट की स्थापना करी गई है, जो सभी लोगों को गाइड करेंगे और इस तरह की परियोजना में उनकी हेल्प करेंगे. So we can have some comments or some expert comments from him also. Thank you so much for joining, and I wish you all a very happy World Water Day, and I hope our coming generation will understand the value of water and they will conserve the water. Thank you so much.
Professor Basant Maheshwari ji, he has over 35 years of teaching, capacity building, research and outreach experience. His current work is particularly focused on water resources planning, groundwater monitoring, management, urban water, river health, irrigation, water education, engagement and capacity building and environmental sustainability, and water for livelihood and well-being.
We are the agricultural land converting into houses and suburbs, and then on top of this is climate change. So in all three, the water cycle and water is affected, and so is our water planning. So how can we plan future cities, future or villages, so that they don't run out of water, and like government India's mission water for every home. And so all these factors can affect and are affecting.
Uday Shankar Saha is an RBI chair professor from IRMA, that is well-known Institute of Rural Management. It's at Anand, Gujarat. I am happy to say that he belongs to agricultural faculty. He did his master degree in horticulture and then PhD in agriculture from the country's premier institute, IARI, Indian Agriculture Research Institute, New Delhi, and he did his postdoctoral research from Policy for Sustainable Agriculture Development in Agriculture from University of California, Berkeley.
Today we are celebrating the World Water Day. So this day's theme is valuing the most important point today. So the most importantly, this day will be celebrating. It's not only for giving a particular lecture or any discussions, but at the same time we must also celebrate water and raises the awareness among the global about the global water crisis. So awareness creation is the challenge for all of us, and that is the task to be taken up. The core focus of this today's program is that to support that achievement of Sustainable Development Goal, Agenda 6. So that is the water and sanitation for all.
Professor Jayan Patel is presently the professor of civil engineering at Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel National Institute of Technology, Surat.
So first, why this topic is important? We know that water, a natural resource, is very important. Demand of water is increasing day by day, and out of all the demand, irrigation required much more water. That is why I am concentrating in this topic on the saving for the irrigation water.
Professor Maitri, he is a director of Indian Institute of Management at Nagpur. Is a distinguished academician, renowned teacher, researcher, and an astute administrator.
In the time of 21st century, this world's Water Day is going to play a very, very significant role for creating awareness, changing our habits and styles, so that we can save water, not only sufficient water for ourselves, as well as for sufficient water for many, many generations ahead of time. And today, all of you know that in this symbiotic development, our agriculture, poor farmers, I can say, even if you want to talk about my village, I belong to Sangli district, a drought hit area, it is 24 hours and 12 months, it is a drought hit area. Rainy season also water is supplied by tanks. So such a village I am born and brought up. I must tell you, so there, such a illiterate farmers, they even can't read and write, but they know the technique how to convert mud into food.
So once again, I will thanks to all the participants who have joined and along with the experts who has cooperated for us. Thank you very much and wish you all happy World Water Day and save water, all of you. Thank you very much.